70 Butterfly, also known as Felicia, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time at my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you came to join me. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you for sticking with me and coming to check me out. But as you can tell by the title, this is an updated fall breakfast bar. Well, let me give you the backstory to this breakfast bar. Our breakfast bar is very functional. You can look back at the beginning when I first bought everything to create the breakfast bar. My kids went bananas. They loved it. So I try to keep it updated with, just different things that they can just grab and go, because they're in high school and middle school and they're not big on big breakfasts at home. So, and my husband is like changing his lifestyle, so I have to have fruit for him as well. So I, decorated with that type of stuff. So this was supposed to be part of the It's Fall Y'all series. However, if anybody knows coding, I was taking a Java class at the time, which was killing me, on top of working full-time, on top of trying to make these videos and crank them out, going to bed at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. So by the last day, I was out of gas. But I'm done with my class and I'm excited to say I passed it, and I'm very excited. I took my final yesterday and I passed the class. But I wanted to go ahead and finish up my fall videos because I have a lot to show you guys. So this is the coffee bar. It's fall, y'all. And I'll add it to the playlist. So if you're new and this is the type of content you like, please like and subscribe. I'd love to have you, and click the notification button if you want to know when I put out a new video. So thank you guys for watching, and here goes the video.
Yeah.